Many people believe electric vehicle batteries fail quickly and are expensive to replace, but this is one of the biggest myths about EVs. An electric vehicle, or EV, is powered entirely by electricity using a rechargeable battery and an electric motor instead of petrol or diesel. Modern EV batteries are designed to last a long time, typically between 8 to 15 years or 160,000 to 300,000 kilometers, and many still retain over 80% of their capacity after years of use. Advanced battery management systems control temperature, charging, and power delivery, protecting the battery from damage and extending its lifespan. Charging habits also play an important role, as slow charging and keeping the battery between 20 and 80% helps maintain battery health. While occasional fast charging does not cause serious harm, even when batteries gradually degrade, they do not suddenly stop working. They simply offer slightly reduced driving range and can later be reused for energy storage or recycled. Most manufacturers provide long battery warranties, and replacement costs continue to decrease as technology improves. In reality, EV battery life is not a weakness but a strength, proving that electric vehicles are reliable, durable, and a practical choice for today's drivers.